Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Streamline your productivity by synchronizing Evernote with Google Calendar. This tutorial outlines the steps to integrate and leverage Evernote notes and reminders with Google Calendar, ensuring efficient task management. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So, for today's video guys, I'm going to introduce you to Zapier.com. Basically, Zapier is a website, as you can see here, that will help us do every single integration that we think of, or every single connection. So the first thing to do is to go to Zapier.com, as you can see, /app/dashboard, and make sure to create your account on it. After you do so, make sure to go on this left side menu, and here you will find apps. Click on it and you will be able to see this page. So here we have to search for the desired apps that we are going to use, which is the first one called Evernote. Search for Evernote. So here we go. Click on connect, and now wait for it until it opens. Continue with Google so you can log in into your account. Here we go. And simply log into your account, give it the access if it needed, and simply after that you should here choose how many time you want the Zapier LLC to access your account. Let's give it, for example, 1 week, authorize, and there we go. We have created and connected to our Evernote account successfully. Just have to close this, and now let's go back to apps. So after we did that, we have to connect the second app which we have to search for, which is eventually gonna be Google Calendar. So simply let's go here, let's go search for Google Calendar, and let's wait for it. So here it is. I have it already added, but for the sake of this video I will show you how to add it. Simply like that, click on your account again, make sure to connect it, and you will be good to go, as you can see right in front of you. And here we are. So now after you connected both your account on Google Calendar and your account on Evernote, you have to make sure that the zap has made successfully, or the connection has made successfully. Simply click here. Let's try to click on test connection, see if it is tested successfully, and that means that the connection has been made correctly. Now for the next step on connecting these two applications. So we have to click on here, and we are now on the home page. So now click on create zap, just like that, and you will be taken to this page. So this is a text box, as you can see here, and basically guys, this text box will literally help us a lot, because it will literally, it's like ChatGPT or Midjourney if you know about it. So you just have to type your prompt right over here, as you can see, and you will be able to get whatever you have written as like actions. So let's try to do so. For example, whenever I add something to Google Calendar, write it as a note in the other app. So you can literally here over notes write it here, and you will find it eventually. So here we simply have to write Evernote. Here we go. So here, just wait for it, let it generate, and there you go. So synchronizing Google Calendar events with Evernote notes. So new events, that will mean that a new note will be created. So if that fits your desired goal, then simply click on try it. So let's do that. And here we go. So now you have to connect to your account on Google Calendar. Continue. Choose value if you do have any calendars. For me, I'm going to just choose my main calendar. Continue. And this trigger. And it has been made successfully. So now I'm just going to skip the trigger because my calendar is empty, so they didn't find any events in my calendar. I'm just going to skip it. And here you go. We have done it successfully. As you can see here, it is correctly done. So now guys, all we need to do is to do the same thing, but all the way around in the Evernote website. So click on change, connect your accounts, And as you can see, click on continue. Here we have to choose some values. So first notebook, and then click on continue, skip tests, skip, and publish. Now it is publishing, as you can see. So your Zap is on, transfer existing data, then create an event in Google Calendar to try it out. So here we need to go to my Zaps or click X, and as you can see, the Evernote account has been connected successfully, everything is working, and this version is in use and it is turned on. So make sure to put this in mind in case you were just trying to use it, because you have to turn on your Zaps or it will not work. Another thing to put in mind, guys, is also very important, is once you create your account, so let me just show you here, the section, like go here and to the main page, and here we go. So basically every action that will happen, it will cost you one task, and every connection between apps, it will be called zaps. So make sure that you have enough tasks and zaps determining the amount of action that you might be needing during the month. For example, if you need like 100 or 50 like action per month, then the free trial will help you and the free plan will really fit your desired goals. But in case you were going for thousands or millions of actions and you're predicting that, so you need to upgrade your plan. So there is here dozens of plans that you can go for, or not dozen but 4 plans or 5, which are the main ones. So there is a free one, as you can see. There is the starter, professional, team, and company. So the starter starts with 20 USD, 50 USD for professional, team 70, and the company, of course, you will determine it after you contact them. Now you can make it higher by adding more tasks to the plan. For example, I will add 39. This one can go up to 2 million tasks, which will reach to 4,000 or $3,389. And for the final one, it's gonna be around 2 million as well, and it's gonna reach around basically it's $4,000 in total. So in case you're needing that amount of tasks, that amount of plugins and features, because there's here a lot of plugins that can help you a lot, so it can be very useful for new users. And yeah, that was it basically, guys, for today's video. I tried to show you simply how to connect your Evernote account with your Google Calendar. It is very easy using this Zapier tool, which is completely for free. You can find it at zapier.com. I have shown you that in the beginning of this video. So thank you, guys. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will go through all of your questions and try to answer them one by one. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.